Today we will try to see, you can go through my demo videos, if at all you need uh, for more understanding. But however, today I'll explain about one of the topic about testing. Okay. Most of the people would have already known about it, but yeah, let me try to explain it. Kind of demo videos, okay? Kind of demo. To- So now let's understand what is the main purpose of testing for anyone in the market. What is the main purpose? Why you need testing? What is the use of testing? So take part of your SDLC life cycle. Okay, got it right? Because every company, whoever wants to launch their application in the market, they have to test it. Okay. I can see few people who are old faces. They can drop off for today if at all you feel that this is again repetitive class. So you can drop for today. We will try to see it again once the batch is clear. Okay. So there are few new faces. Let new faces join this one. People who are already there, they can drop. Okay. Who are already aware of it, they can drop. Okay, fine. Yeah. So let's start with the basic thing, okay, which we have already seen a couple of things in this. We will try to see an overview of it. So the basic purpose of testing is to two things, okay. If I say verification and validation. So you're verifying something and you're validating something. So you're verifying whether your development is happened according to the requirement, and you're validating whether the developed content is matching with my testable content. That means, for example, I asked a developer to develop a text box or a button. So if you are trying to check whether he has developed the correct content or the correct component, that's called verification. Okay. And validation, once he developed it, you're putting multiple inputs in it and you're checking whether that particular UI component or particular component is working properly as per the requirement. That's called validation. So these two are the major purpose of testing. Okay? Testing is very important as part of SDLC lifecycle. In SDLC lifecycle, there is no application or there is no product that any company that they wants to launch in market, either a physical product or an application or any kind of manageable product. I could say a product that has to be launched in market has to be tested. Okay? Testing is something that is mandatory phase in every company. So every company needs automation testers. Every company needs testers in their organization because that's something that is very important. Okay, so that sign off has to be provided by testers. So what is the main purpose of testing? Testing has to be done for two purposes. One is like I have to check whether the requirement is correctly matching with what that guy has developed. Okay, because developers are developing something, whether he is developing as per the requirement, that's called verification. And after the development is completed, I am going to test with multiple inputs, and I'm checking that okay, I'm verifying and validating that that is working fine after all my inputs are provided with the different types of test data. So these two are the major things which is required for testing, okay? Verification and validation. Okay. So now I mean you would have clarity of it or a clear idea of why testing is required. Okay. So SDLC life cycle also we have seen clearly. Because testing in SDLC life cycle, a requirement gathering will be happening, and after that analysis will be happening, then design will be happening, then coding and testing and deployment. That means a product, if a product has to launch to market or to deploy into market, so first you should collect the requirements, and then after collecting the requirements, you should analyze it. Okay, whether I can able to develop all of them, or whether I can able to all these requirements can be achieved or not. So that's called analysis. If yes, you have to say yes. If no, why you can't develop it. So that analysis has to be done. Then design. Okay, now my requirements are clear. My analysis part is clear. Now let's try to do the design. Okay, I'll try to do a backend design. I'll try to write my, organization by, high level design, low level design. Okay, all these things has to be given. So after doing the design, then coding will be done. Okay, so my developers now take the product and then they will start coding according to the design. So you will have a proper Figma designs. Okay, if you're working in companies, you would know. You will have a proper architecture design, your server design, your DB design. All these things are already provided to developers, and developers has to develop according to that design. So after coding is completed, we as a tester, so our phase comes into picture. We as testers, we are going to test that component and make sure that the component or that application is bug free. That's the main purpose of testing. We have to make sure that application is free of bugs. So we cannot guarantee 100%, but we should make sure that as part of our testing is done, we have raised bugs and the bugs are resolved and the application is uh, the delta of 1% is something acceptable. Okay, that's again as per market standards. I will try to tell you later. So we have to do testing, and then after testing, DevOps engineers will deploy that into production. So now the users, whoever is there, they can able to use the new features, use the application. Okay, they can able to work with that application. So this is a general process for every company and every application or every product for that purpose. Okay, it can be a hardware product or a software product that has to go through all these phases in a different way. Okay, so this is life cycle. This life cycle can be implemented by different types of methodologies, because I have some process design. Okay, the process is designed, but I want to know which methodology I should implement in order to make that process more aligned to my project. Okay, because my project may get so many changes. 1 minute. Yeah. So my process may get you are able to hear me? You guys able to hear me? Hello? Hello? You guys able to hear me? Am I audible? Hello?
Unknown caller.
Yeah. Yeah, so if you are able to see my screen, I will try to tell you about my syllabus. I think other people are there, but I don't think so they are active here. What about you, Dishanti? You are available? You are able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Other people are there. I don't think so they are active here. Right? Only few people are trying to listen to my class. They just joined.
Yes,
and
you are audible.
Okay, I'm audible. Like Sai Sudha, there are few people like Suresh. I think you replied because is there. I think this Nishanti, are you there? Nishanti and Sudha, are you there? Okay, fine. That's okay. I'll try to share my syllabus now. So we will see more detailedly tomorrow. Okay. So first we will start with Python programming, which is going to be entire Python programming I am going to discuss. You don't need to have anything, okay, as a prerequisite. If you have learned Python, that's good. If you don't know Python or anything, that's okay. I'm going to teach everything. Along with that, my course, after I teach everything in Python, you will also get 170 videos of Python by DurgaSoft. Okay? This is actual cost. If you buy it in DurgaSoft website, it costs you around 8,000 rupees to you, but it will be a free course content for me if you have enrolled my course. Okay. Then I'll teach you Selenium concepts. So I'll teach you entire end-to-end how to automate a complete website. Okay. Using Selenium with Python. Okay. That we are going to see. So after that, we will see frameworks. So frameworks are very important for companies. Okay. If you go for any company interview, they would ask you what is the framework that you have worked on. Can you please explain about your application, your framework structure that you have used in your company? Okay. So for that, you need to know that which framework you have used. So I'm going to teach you entire types of framework that are available in Python. Unit test framework, PyTest framework, BDD, data-driven framework. So we are going to see 4 frameworks. Okay. PyTest is like test engine in Java. Unit test is like JUnit in Java. And data-driven is the same name. And BDD Cucumber is the same name. So these 4 frameworks we are going to see in Python. Along with that, we are going to see 2 projects, which is with PyTest, just like test engine, and BDD. So we are going to see 4 projects, 4 frameworks, 2 projects, Python, Selenium, and that's not done. We are going to see Git Jenkins, API manual testing using Postman, API automation testing we are going to see, manual testing entirely we are going to see, agile methodology we are going to see. Okay. So we are going to see agile methodology, manual testing, API manual testing, API automation testing. Then we are going to see Selenium with Python. We are going to see 4 frameworks, 2 projects, Python course. Okay, so Git Jenkins. All together, we are going to see in this course as a complete. So this is like full stack testing. Okay, we are not going to leave anything. So then after the course, while the course is there, I'll share you my sample resume. The sample resume for applying for jobs, and I'll share you the HR contacts, 200 plus HR contacts I'll share you. Important interview questions I'll
Calling
share you.
NagoorBabu team contact one.
Okay. Got it right? And then the course duration is 4 to 4.5, for 40 to 45 working days. Okay. Then there is no class on Sunday and Saturday. Doubts and materials will be shared, okay, over WhatsApp, okay, and updates will be shared over WhatsApp. Everyday recording videos will be provided to you by DURGASOFT team. You can claim an experience of 2 to 2.5 years, okay, after this course is completed. The timings will be 9 to 10. Okay, you have any questions, anyone? So since the time didn't permit for me, I could not take it up for a long time. But we will try to see it tomorrow. You can reach to the DURGASOFT members. So whatever we are going to see in this course is, we are going to see Python, we are going to see Selenium with Python, we are going to see 4 frameworks, 2 projects, Git Jenkins, API testing using Postman and API testing using automation, and agile methodology, manual testing. I'm going to share HR contacts, 200 plus HR contacts, sample resume, important interview questions. Weekends, no class, Saturday, Sunday. I'll create a WhatsApp group after your enrollment is completed, and I'll share all my materials, and we can discuss doubts over there. You will get a recording videos every day by DURGASOFT team. So class is 9 to 10. So the nominal time of completion of this course is 40 to 45 working days. That depends from, batch to batch, and depends on the time. You understood, everyone? Any questions or any doubts from anyone? Any questions, any doubts, anyone?
No, sir, no problem. No problem.
Are you DURGASOFT videos plus notes are provided? Yes, DURGASOFT videos and notes are provided by DURGASOFT team. Once you have enrolled my course, once you enroll, I'll give them.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah.
give them okay. What do you say? I'll say them go ahead, and they'll share that videos. And notes also, DURGASOFT notes also will be shared. Got it right? So this is a combined Python and Selenium with Python course. Got it right, everyone? Okay, thank you guys. Hope if you don't have any questions, course fees, please check with DURGASOFT team. So I think it's 8,000. We can negotiate from there. Okay, you can negotiate. Okay, thank you. You can let me if there is anything required. Tomorrow I'll be again joining. Okay, thank you guys.